This is a demonstration of the split RDL loaded on the inside. So I'm going to pick up my dumbbell, I'm going to take my step forward into my split stance, and I'm going to demonstrate the most important key is resisting on the way down, squeezing those muscles on the way up. Really controlling the tempo of our movement. We want to control the contraction and the load, and we want to control the balance. All right, technique details. As I'm lowering, this is going from here to the internally rotated position. As that happens, I want to feel my hamstring and glute loading. I want to feel them loading up. So the other key is I want my hand to stay over my foot the entire time. So my weight starts forward, slight flex in the knee, hip drives back, hand stays over the foot, squeeze and come up. Squeeze and come up. Squeeze and come up. Resisting on the way down. So we're not just dropping, we're resisting. The other key here is if my hand moves past my toe, my head's coming forward, I'm going to lose my balance forward. That's why we want the hips to drive back. It's like a cantilever. So we're lowering, internally rotating, bringing this up, rolling the shoulder into position. Internally rotating, coming up, rolling into position. Internally rotating, coming up, rolling into position. I also want to try to keep my head as neutral as possible. That can be very challenging. So, one last little detail. As I shift over this, I want to make sure that my weight, my center of gravity, this ball by my belly, stays compressed over the foot, so I have balance there. That's how much weight I want here. If I find myself rocking back or dropping this heel, it's going to mess my balance all up, so I need to keep that balance set in front. Glutes squeezed, shoulder blade back. Internally rotate, externally rotate. Internally rotate, externally rotate. And at the bottom, my head is over my foot. At the top, it's slightly inward because I'm counterbalancing this. So that is the internally loaded split RDL.